Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to unprotect Excel sheets. So if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to unprotect any sheet, you can do it easily by watching this video. Okay, as you will see, this sheet is protected. Here you will see this sheet is protected. Okay, this is the mark. You will see this is protected, and if I try to edit anything, you will see this is the pop-up I will get. The cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make change and protect the sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. Okay, so now how to unprotect it? There is two way by which you can easily protect it. So first is, here you will see format option. Now in here you will see unprotect sheet option. So if it is protected with password, you have to enter the password, and if it is not protected with password, just click on it and the sheet will be unprotected. Okay, and the second way is just go to review, and here you will see it is, if it is you will see if it is protected, you will see like this unprotected sheet option. Just click on it and you can easily unprotect the sheet. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.